Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Gab Official. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a fuel filter on this Jaguar F-Pace. This is a 2-litre diesel. So as you can see, this is the Jaguar F-Pace. This is a 2020 model. We're going to replace the fuel filter today. As you can see, this is our fuel filter. And we've got all the part number there if you need to get one. This one is a diesel. As you can see, this is the filter down there. What we're going to need to do is first unclip this and unclip that one there, and then we're just going to unplug this, but I can literally just pull it off now. Let's get that out of the way. And literally just pop these up. And see, it's also the same with this one down here. And you just got to pull it apart. As you can see, like that. Now, as you can see, got this one here, so you pull this one up, like so. As you can see, I'll push it back down for you. As you can see, you literally just put it up, like that. As you can see, it's got a tab there that needs to be pushed in, and there's also one on the side there, so you just push both of those in, and then pull the pipe off. I'm gonna have to use both my hands to do that. Let's see if I can show you that other tab. You can see that other blue looking tab over there, so you need to push both of them inward like so, and pull the pipe off. I'm just going to have to use both my hands to do that. As you can see, it literally just comes off like that. So we're literally just going to take this cover out of the way as well, get a little bit more space. There's a bar here that you can take off as well, and it goes in there. You'd have to take all of this bit off, and then there's a bolt down there. Take this out completely so you can gain access to this filter. I've never changed one of these filters before, so I'm going to try and do it just like this for now. If we can't, then we'll have to take that bar out, but we should be able to. Now if you look behind the filter, just down there, you see that little tab there? There's a little tab that's going to need to be pushed in. And once that tab is pushed in, you can see it. You can see the little tab there. See that tab is right there, that little tab there. So you're going to push that in, and as you can see the filter moving a bit, as you can see. So you push that tab in, and you're going to pull straight up. Because that tab is basically hooked onto that bracket. As you can see, if I move the filter, you can see the tab is hooked onto the bracket. So once you push it in that way, you push it forwards, then you'll be able to slide this upwards. As you can see where the fuel filter is sitting in this slot there. There's also another slot over that side, you can see it there. Then we'll be able to just pop it straight up. So literally just got to get this tab around here, push that tab in, to be able to pull it up. Mine needs some WD-40. As you can see, it comes up just like that. Now all we've got to do is just take these off. also another one on this side. As you can see, it just hooks in there. And there's also a plug underneath, so we need to take that plug off, like so. As you can see, this is our new filter that we're going to be fitting. So now back to the tab that I was telling you about. As you can see, that bit in the middle, that's the bit that hooks, so that you literally can't pull the filter out. So you literally have to push this tab. As you can see, I'll show you, it moves. So you should push it in like that, and then it slots out just like that. So just make sure you plug the plug back in, like so. Also, if you need to drain it, you can actually screw this off as well. I'll just show you, just to drain the diesel out of it. So now what we're going to do is literally just slot this back down here, and then just line. You just got to line it up. Once you line it up, it should literally just slot in place like that. As you can see, it's not going anywhere. What we're going to do now is remove these tabs, and we're going to basically put this one right here, like that. Pull this tab back up. As you can see, you literally just push it straight on until it clicks. And then it's a bit tricky. Yeah, so let's get this tab all the way up. As you can see, there's also a little clip there where it needs to go in. And then let's see, push it on. There we go. You can hear that clip. Push it down. There we go. Straight on. And then just lock it in place down here so that the pipe doesn't go anywhere. There's a little locking bit down there. And then this one, literally, just push that in. And that's basically it. And we'll plug this one back in. Literally just slides back on. Like that, and literally this one slides back here, like so, and then we've got this one here as well that goes on there, and that's basically it. Thank you, and thank you for choosing Gab Official. Please like, share, subscribe for further content on my channel. Stay blessed, keep on rolling. Boom.